About Rainforests by Christina Mia Gardeski. What is a rainforest? A rainforest is a land of tall trees. It is a wet habitat. Lots of rain falls here. Treetops cross. They form a canopy. Little sun gets in. In the trees. Plants and animals live in the trees. Vines grow up the trees. Animals climb the vines. A sloth goes from tree to tree. Frogs hide in leaves. Tree frog. The treetops are loud. Parrots sing. Monkeys howl. On the floor. The forest floor is still. Roots stick out of the ground. A butterfly rests here. Big cats hunt. Blue morpho butterfly. A crocodile cools off in mud. Its jaws open wide. Look up in the rainforest. Look down. Animals are at home from top to bottom. Mountain gorilla.